Titans, welcome to another Form Titan video. In this video, I will show you how to use Salesforce button to edit and send your Titan template to anybody. So let's get started. So here we've got a dynamic PDF, and if you don't know how to configure this, then I recommend you go and check out the video first, where we ask you to, we show you how to install the button and configure your template to the button. So once you've done that and you're good to go, what you will normally see is like a button like this with your template like this. What you can do, click Actions, and you can do Email, Edit, and Send. Option number 1, you can do it like this. You can set up like test subject, you can do from, could be anybody, and then you can do other. And then in the, you can do select, or you can do other. Then in the advanced, you got to CC, BCC. Okay, so you can do other like this. You can put your first email like this, and then you can do one more, and then same again, and then you can put your second email like this. Okay, what I don't recommend is you do this. This is not a good idea, and it won't work. And then same again, pretty much all you do is just do other, and if you want to add more, do it like this. And then for BCC, you do the same process if you want to do this as like a one-off manual situation. And then apply, and then you're good to go. From here on, you can also edit your template. You can add merge fields directly from the object. So you can go in the object, you can do name, you can do description, you can do stage, you can do amount. Any fields that are within that object, you can add them as a merge field. So once we're done, you're good to go. You've added all your stuff. Go ahead and send the email. Now the email is going to send through, and it's going to go directly to the people you have added as to BCC and CC. It will submit it nicely, and the emails will come through. All right. So if we just give it a second, if I go into my look, here it is. It's come through, and there you go. So if I look at the log here, you can see that to, there it is, CC, there it is, and then there's BCC as well. All right, so there's your email that's come through. And then same here again, the other email. It's come through. As you can see, there's to CC, BCC, and then there's my mapping of the document. So that's one way of doing it, what we call like a manual process. You can also automate this. So if you go to your dynamic PDF in Form Titan, go to Edit, then go to Settings, and then go to Salesforce button. Here you've got something called Edit and Send Email. Okay, so if you have org-wide email, you can load it so that we know that's the from, and then in the CC, you can add your email, comma, then add your second email, and then add as many emails as you want. And then same here. You can also use semicolon as well, like I am here. That's also supported. So now, notice that once I've added these, I'll click Apply, Apply, Save. And then if I go back to my button now, and go to Titan Opportunity, for example, and then we click on FD Generate Document, Actions, Emails, Edit, and Send. Once you do Edit and Send, and then in here you select, let's just give it a second for the document to load. So when the document is there, you go to Advanced. You can see that it's automatically pulled in the values that we set in the Edit and Send. Okay? And then from to, you can set this to anyone you want, really. Like this. Alright, so it's automatically pulled the CCC and BCC. All you have to do is add it in there, and then you can do demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, demo 1, 2, 3. Again, you can also choose your org-wide email if you want, if you have one, and then just go ahead and send it. And now this is going to be sent through to the relevant recipients, like this. And then if I go to the email again, you can see there's my email that's just come in. And if we look at the log, again, it's the same stuff that's going on here, all right? So really, really simple. And then there's my really nice PDF attached to it. And same in my other email. Here it's come through. And that's how you use the BCC and CC functionality from Form Titan directly and also within your Salesforce button, putting it dynamically.